So this question is replace elements with greatest element on right side. So given the array and then blah blah blah, and then here's an example. So I'm gonna use my own word to explain what just happened. So you give it an integer array, and then you want to basically traverse the right side of the current value index. So you want to find out the maximum, so index 0. At this position, you want to find out what is the largest element on the right side. It's going to be 18, right? And then another one is going to be this guy with the the largest element on the right side, so 6. And then just keep going, and then the last value is definitely -1 because we don't have any value greater than the last value, right? So the last value is always -1. So the trick is actually traverse from the last one all the way to the beginning. However, we can skip the last one. Basically, we start with this one, and then we can initialize my max to this value, right? The last value, and then I need to say, okay, I need to assign my current index, array I equal to max, right? And then for the next value, we need to compare with 6 and 1. However, I assigned this value already, right? So I need to basically store my temporary variable, the original variable to the array I before I assign. So later on, I can compare my max, right? I can update my max. Math.max is the max value or the temp value I store, right? So this will be it. Okay, too much drawings, but here we go. So for in max equal to array at array.length -1, this will represent the last value, and then I will become the index. So it started from the second last, and I greater equal to 0, and I minus. So I'm going to store my temp variable at array I, and then set my array I equal to max. So max is like the last value at this position. So if we just started, so I will assign 1 for this current index. So here we go. But I need to update my max for my next iteration. So it's going to be max at 10. Then don't forget you need to reassign the last value to -1 and return the array. So you are using the same array, so let's see. Alright, for the time and space are straightforward. This is the time, all of n. Space is constant, you're not allocating any space. So if you have question, if you come up, I will see you later, bye.